Okay, so we just created an AI chatbot that has multiple personalities and memory within 5 minutes. Okay, let's add image generation through DALL-E 3. And DALL-E 3 is made by OpenAI, so we don't gotta mess around. We don't gotta do nothing. We can just go over to back to cursor and say, okay, let's add the ability to create, let's say, generate images with DALL-E. Let's see what it does. So here's our code over here. And it is adding some more styling. What else is it adding? Okay, more code here for AI stuff. Okay, let's see. A golden retriever generate image. Oh my goodness, it worked. One prompt, and now it has the ability to generate images. I clicked it again, boom, now we got another golden retriever. I clicked it a couple times, so it's still doing it. Okay, this is crazy. This is crazy, okay. But I want it in the same window. Let's make sure the image shows up in the same window as the chat. Make it so I can close the image and go back to chatting and give it a loading animation. So we're just going to improve this. So that's pretty cool though. One prompt, and now we got image generation inside of our chatbot. So we'll add another prompt to make it even better. And let's see what it did. Okay. Golden Retriever again. Okay, so now it does have a spinning wheel. It's doing like a kind of a dark text. It's not within the window, but maybe we should have told it, do it within the window. It went away before the image came, so not great. It must just be on a timer or something, not actually waiting for the image to come in, but let's see how long it takes. OpenAI, I find, is not very fast with the images. It'll do it, but it's not very fast. And they're not the best quality. Now you can use better models from Replicate. Maybe it's not working. Yeah, okay, I don't think it worked. It's not working. The loading ended and it never showed the image. We go back. Okay. So yeah, so it's not working, right? We just tell it, hey, it's not working. What's going on? See what it'll do. Okay, it's gonna redo our code a little bit here. Complete. We'll go back. Golden Retriever. Boom. And now we have our Golden Retriever. It's not quite in the window properly, but we can just tell it, right? And there's a close button. And it's telling us I couldn't load the image too. That's very funny. So it's a little buggy. It's got its little quirks, But now we have image generation. Okay. Make the image generate into the chat window and make the loading circle center in the chat window as well. Let's say make the loading circle cooler, and that's it. So we'll see what this does, if it makes it something worthwhile or if it breaks it, which can happen. But you can always reverse the change. You don't have to accept the change. So it's really cool. It's just doing its own thing all by itself. It's complete now. And if we go back to our website, Golden Retriever, okay, our prompt actually came here. Look at that. It's literally in the window, just like how ChatGPT does it. That is amazing. What? That is amazing. Can you see it? We'll send a text now. Okay, now it's double sending the text. It doesn't have the ability to see. No problem. But we do have our image right in there. That is incredible. And then we can continue to chat. Super cool. So we could say, amazing, make the window much larger, and let's add a moving interactive background around the window. So we'll let it do its thing. Now it's making a CSS file, which is what it needs to do. That's great. Creating a new file called particles.json. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So now our window is bigger, just like we wanted. Let's do a black Mustang. I am a Mustang guy, as you might be able to tell. Let's send that. But our loading went away. Interesting. Oh, hold on. Black Mustang. I clicked send instead of generate image. So that was on me. But there we go. Our loading circle's right in the middle. Absolutely perfect. It's nicer now. Nicer and smoother. And there's our black Mustang. Isn't that great? Wow. Wow, that's cool. And it fixed the double send by itself, so that's great. Glad you think so. Mustang, Black History, blah, blah. Okay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now I can just go back and say, the background isn't interactive as I asked for, please fix. Let's see if it can do it with a basic website like this. We might need to use Next.js, which that'll be what I get into next. Okay. Background still hasn't changed. Send a message. Yeah, no, I don't think it's able to do it like this, but we have came up with some pretty amazing stuff. Let's do Darth Vader. Right? Look at that. That's Darth Vader with some red eyes, it looks like, too. So super happy with this and the amount of time that we built it. Amazing.